Gondor candy depositing machine. High degree of automation, stable and reliable operation. Continuous feeding. Precise control of valves and conveyor belt. Supports multiple languages. Adjustable pouring speed. Max 150摄氏度 temperature. Fast heating. Sugar flow controllable. Candy weight is uniform. Automatic pouring. Precise control of pouring volume. 6061 food grade aviation aluminum nose. High production efficiency. Produce candies in various shapes and styles. Chocolates. Hard candy. SUS 304 high-cost stainless steel material. The switch has a water filtering function. Can be individually adjusted for weight. Various molds can be customized. The mold can be customized. Candy display. Client feedback.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working